2026 Land RoverDefender 110 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. This isn't just an SUV, it's built for long drives that turn into unforgettable journeys. Imagine hitting the open highway, endless roads ahead, and a machine beneath you that blends power, luxury, and pure presence. And with the aggressive touch of LUMMA Design, this Defender doesn't just travel, it dominates every mile. The first glance is enough to understand this is no ordinary vehicle. The widebody stance, bold front fascia, and muscular lines give it an undeniable road presence. Those signature LED headlights cut through the night like a statement, while the matte white finish paired with black accents creates a perfect contrast of elegance and aggression. Whether you're cruising through the city at night or parked at a scenic viewpoint during a road trip, this Defender commands attention effortlessly. Step inside, and the entire mood shifts into refined comfort, exactly what you need for long-distance driving. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, with soft-touch materials that make every interaction feel high-end. The seats are designed for endurance, keeping you relaxed even after hours on the road. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light during the day and gives you a perfect view of the stars at night, turning every drive into an experience. Technology plays a huge role here. The large infotainment system is smooth, responsive, and fully equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected wherever the road takes you. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information in a clean, modern layout, making long drives stress-free and enjoyable. Add in a premium sound system, and your road trip playlist hits differently, every beat, every note, crystal clear. Now let's talk performance, the heart of any great road trip machine. The D350 diesel engine delivers strong torque and effortless acceleration, perfect for highway cruising. Overtaking feels smooth and confident, while the refined engine ensures a quiet, composed ride. The adaptive suspension absorbs bumps and uneven roads with ease, making even rough terrains feel comfortable. And when the road ends, the Defender's legendary off-road capability begins, giving you the freedom to explore beyond limits. Long drives demand reliability, comfort, and performance, and this Defender delivers all three without compromise. Multiple driving modes allow you to adapt instantly, whether you're on highways, gravel roads, or challenging trails. It's a vehicle that encourages you to go further, explore more, and never worry about the road ahead. When it comes to pricing, this level of luxury and exclusivity comes at a premium, sitting around $2,999,000 depending on the spec and customization. But what you're getting is more than just a vehicle, you're investing in an experience, a lifestyle built around adventure and comfort. So if you're someone who lives for long drives, late-night highway runs, and spontaneous road trips, this 2026 Defender with LUMMA Widebody kit is your perfect companion. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every second of the journey. This is Car Reviews, bringing you machines that redefine driving. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next ride might just be even more insane.